Hey everybody, Bill James here, Tech for Senior, and let's talk Windows 11. It's the newest version of Windows, and it's all about making your computer not just a tool, but an extension of yourself. Windows 11 is designed to be more intuitive, more user-friendly, and more customizable than any version before it. That means making it look exactly how you want. You can change the wallpaper, adjust the themes, and even tweak the colors to match your mood or style. Windows 11 is super powerful, but it can also be super personal. You can set it up to work the way you do with virtual desktops, snap layouts, and more. We're not just talking about performance, we're talking about a seamless experience that feels uniquely yours. Imagine having a workspace that adapts to your needs, whether you're working, gaming, or just browsing the web. Think of it like this. You wouldn't buy a brand new car and never change the radio station, right? You'd set it to your favorite channels, adjust the seat, and make it comfortable for you. This guide is here to make sure your Windows 11 experience is top-notch from the second you boot up. We'll walk you through the setup process, show you how to customize your settings, and help you get the most out of your new OS. Ready to dive in? Let's go. We'll explore the new features, the improved performance, and the enhanced security that Windows 11 brings to the table. All right, let's get this show on the road and turn your Windows 11 into something truly spectacular. From the new Start menu to the integrated Microsoft Teams, there's so much to discover. So buckle up and let's make your Windows 11 experience one to remember. First things first, we got to find where all the cool customization stuff is hiding. Don't worry, it's easier than building a PC, probably. Right-click anywhere on your desktop. That's the main screen you see after your computer turns on. You'll see a menu pop up. Look for Personalize at the middle of the menu and click it. Boom. Welcome to your Personalization Hub. This is where the magic happens, folks. From backgrounds to colors, it's all here. It's time to transform that desktop from blah to bam. Ready? Let's go. Ready? The desktop background is like the wallpaper of your digital house. Let's make it awesome. In the personalization settings, you'll see Background. Click it. You can choose a picture, a solid color, or even a slideshow of pictures. Want to use your own picture? Click Browse Photos, find your favorite photo and click Choose Picture. Bam! New background. Remember, your background should make you happy. Choose something that you love to look at. Next up, Colors, Windows. 11 lets you choose the colors of your Windows buttons and more. Go back to your personalization settings and look for colors. Click it. You'll see a bunch of options. You can choose a pre-made color theme, or you can create your own. Feel free to experiment. If you want Windows to choose colors based on your background, turn on Automatically Pick an Accent Color from My Background. Remember, the right colors can make your computer feel more like you. Theme Time pre-built styles for easy makeovers. Themes are like pre-designed outfits for your computer. They change your background, colors, and even sounds all at once. Back in your personalization settings, click on Themes. You'll see a bunch of pre-made themes. Click on one to see a preview. If you like it, click Apply. Themes are a great way to quickly change the entire look and feel of your computer. Lock screen lowdown, what you see before you start. The lock screen is the first thing you see when you turn on your computer. Let's make it awesome. Go back to the main personalization settings. This time click on lock screen. Just like with the background, you can choose a picture, a slideshow, or even a Windows Spotlight image that changes every day. You can also add quick status to your lock screen. This lets you see things like the weather or your calendar without even unlocking your computer. Widget wonders. Information at your fingertips. Widgets are like mini apps that live on your desktop. They provide quick access to essential information and tools without the need to open full applications. They can show you the news, keeping you updated with the latest headlines and stories from around the world. The weather, so you can plan your day accordingly. Your calendar, to keep track of important events and appointments, and more. You can find widgets by clicking the widgets icon on your taskbar. This icon is conveniently located for easy access. It looks like a little square made of smaller squares, making it easily recognizable among other icons. Click the widgets icon and a panel will slide out from the left side of your screen. This panel is your gateway to a world of information and functionality. You can add or remove widgets based on your preferences, rearrange them to suit your workflow, and even resize them to fit your needs. Widgets are a great way to stay informed without having to open a bunch of different apps. They streamline your desktop experience, making it more efficient and user-friendly. For instance, you can set up a to-do list widget to keep track of your daily tasks and check them off as you complete them. Or, if you're into finance, a stock market widget can provide real-time updates on your investments. You can even customize your newsfeed to show stories from your favorite sources, ensuring you get the information that matters most to you. Sports enthusiasts can keep track of scores and updates from their favorite teams with a sports widget. And for a personal touch, you can set up a photo widget to display a slideshow of your favorite memories. The possibilities are endless with widgets on Windows 11. They offer a customizable and convenient way to access the information and tools you need right at your fingertips. Embrace the power of widgets and transform your desktop into a hub of productivity and information. With widgets, everything you need is just a click away, making your digital life simpler and more organized. Sound off picking your audio identity. Sound might not seem like a visual thing, but it plays a big part in how you experience your computer. To change your sound settings, go back to the main settings menu and click System, and then Sound. Here, you can change things like your system sounds, your input and output devices, and your microphone settings. You can even choose different sounds for different events, like getting a new email or plugging in a device. Mouse magic, clicking and scrolling your way. Your mouse is your trusty sidekick in the world of Windows. It's the tool that helps you navigate through your digital life with ease and precision. Whether you're browsing the web, working on a document, or playing your favorite game, your mouse is always there to assist you. Let's make sure it's working exactly how you like it. Customizing your mouse settings can greatly enhance your productivity and comfort. Go back to the main Settings app by pressing the Windows key on your keyboard and typing Settings. This is your gateway to personalizing your Windows experience. Click on the Settings app. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options that allow you to tweak and tune your system to your liking. In the Settings app, click on Bluetooth and Devices. This section is where you can manage all your connected devices, including your mouse. Then, click on Mouse. Here, you'll find all the settings related to your mouse. Here you can change things like your primary mouse button, left or right-handed, your scroll speed and your cursor speed. Adjusting these settings can make your mouse more responsive and comfortable to use. You can even change your mouse pointer to something more fun, adding a touch of personality to your computer, like a different color or a cool shape. This can make your cursor easier to see and more enjoyable to use. Experiment with different options until you find the perfect look and feel for your mouse pointer. Remember, your mouse is an extension of you, so make it as unique as you are. Once you've made your changes, take a moment to test them out. Move your cursor around and see how it feels. If something doesn't feel right, you can always go back and make further adjustments. With the right settings, your mouse can become an even more powerful tool, making your time on the computer more efficient and enjoyable. So, take the time to customize it to your liking and enjoy the enhanced experience. Make it yours, unleashing your inner Windows wizard. So there you have it. That's how you personalize your Windows 11 experience. Remember, your computer is your digital space. Make it a place you love to be. Don't be afraid to experiment with different settings until you find what you like best. And most importantly, have fun with it. I'm Bill James, Tech for Senior. Thanks for watching and listening. Now go forth and make Windows 11 truly yours.